how to fix purchase not available in Brawl Stars. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. For the first one, we'll open up our phone settings, and here we want to use the search bar to search for storage. Now we will click on iPhone storage, and from this list of apps that pops up, we will select Brawl Stars, then click on offload app, just like that, and reinstall the app. Now, once you do this, if it still doesn't work for you, another thing that you can try is you can just go back here, and we will go to the App Store directly, and we will just search for Brawl Stars. As you can see, we have it right here, and if it says update, you will click on update to get the most up-to-date version of Brawl Stars. If you still can't purchase stuff on it, then you might have set your age to a low age that doesn't let you actually purchase anything, and you will need to change your age. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.